Gotti boy, you going on a walk? You like your Sunday walk? Most handsomest dog in the world. Gotti boy. He's such a handsome boy. What the heck? I'm a car, Gotti boy. They want some beef, Gotti. Come on, Gotti boy. Sometimes you just gotta ignore the peons, Gotti. Come on. What is it, Gotti boy? That's a good boy. Gotti boy, that's a good boy. With that lawnmower? You hear that lawnmower, Gotti? Come on. Respect the neighbors' mailboxes. His ears are looking really good. I don't think we'll have to repost your ears no more. I guess to enjoy their Sunday, but I gotta work today on Mother's Day. This is the highlight of my Mother's Day, taking my best friend for a walk. What you smelling? What do you smell, Gotti boy? You always want to eat weird stuff. Don't eat no weird stuff out here. This where you live, Gotti? You ready to get some water?